Over time, the shop floor has been integrated and connected with a production management system, sometimes locally, sometimes with vertical solutions. But what is mandatory now is an efficient solution able to start small. Brick Reply allows shop floor devices to become easily connected, bringing data exactly where you need it to be. But how is this accomplished? With Brick Reply monitoring, you can configure communication with OPC servers, PLC, devices and IoT objects, specifying parameters, protocols and communication details. Decide where to store the gathered data, whether it is on a local repository, an execution system, or a cloud data storage. Remotely control and monitor all data coming from the shop floor with a simple and easy-to-use user interface. With near real-time capabilities, Brick Reply for shop floor monitoring allows businesses to start small, with no upfront investment and a full range of graphical tools to control and monitor shop floor and production KPIs. Brick Reply, the platform for Industry 4.0 manufacturing operations.